Hello छात्रों. So we will discuss about the parallel lines and angles part number 2. हमने इससे पहले आपको पार्ट नंबर 1 पढ़ाया था, उसमें प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ पैरेलल लाइंस पढ़ाया था, याद है ना. अब इसके बाद उसी पार्ट नंबर 2 में उसकी प्रॉपर्टीज से संबंधित रिलेटेड कुछ क्वेश्चंस करेंगे. तो आइए क्वेश्चन को शुरू करते हैं. वी विल डिस्कस सम क्वेश्चंस ऑन द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ पैरेलल लाइंस. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 स्टार्ट. यू राइट द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. राइट द क्वेश्चंस. So we will write the question number 1. Question number 1 is, in each of the following AB parallel to CD, AB parallel to CD, then find the value of x. Write the question please. Then find the value of x. Find the value of x. The figure is in front of you, and see the figures. AB parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD. This is the AB parallel to CD. And the angle, this is the E points. E is equal to x degree. And angle A, it means angle BAE is equal to 104 degree. And angle ECD is equal to 116 degree. 116 degree. We will find the value of x. How can you find the value of x? I will tell you about the value of x. How can you find this? We will draw a line. This line will be parallel to AB and CD. This line is parallel to AB and CD. We call this EM. And we draw the line AB, its backward sides, and also CD is backward sides. Then see here please. You see that 104 is the angle EAB is equal to 104 degree. And this angle is equal to this angle. Why? Because these angles are alternate angle. 104 is equal to this angle. 104 is equal to this angle. Why? This is alternate angle. You will say it alternate angle. So angle AEN, angle AEN is equal to 104 degree. Okay. And angle NEM, the whole angle is, I will call it angle 1 and angle 2. This is angle 2. You know that angle 1 plus angle 104, since angle 1 plus angle 104 is equal to 180 degree. See here, 104 and angle 1, its all angle is equal to 180 because it is a straight line angle. 104. So angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 104. Angle 1 is equal to 76 degree. Okay. Angle 1 is equal to 76 degree. And also we will find the value of this value. Also we will find the value of this. This is 116 degree. 116. So it is also 116 degree because this and this are alternate angle. And it will be 116. So angle 2 plus angle 116 is equal to 180. It is a straight line angle. So angle 2 plus 116 is equal to 180. Angle 2 is equal to 180 minus 116. Angle 2 is equal to हो जाएगा 64 degree. 64 degree. So the whole angle x. So the whole angle x. Angle x is equal to, all angles will be sum 76 plus 64 इक्वल टू कितना हो जाएगा 640 7 से 140 degree. This will be 140 degree. 140 degree. Question number 2. See here. Question number 2. Okay. Write the question number 2. Find the value of x. Find the value of x if AB parallel to CD. If AB parallel to CD by the given figure. By the given figure. By the given figure. AB parallel to CD. See here the figure. AB parallel to CD. This angle is 40 degree and this angle is 35 degree. Find the value of x. This is the angle x. What is the value of angle x? You will find angle x. Solve it please. You have only 1 minute. Solve this question. You have read the property of parallel lines, so you can solve these questions properly. What is the value? 285. 285. Right. 285. We will discuss about the property of parallel lines. Some questions are here. Question number 2 is AB parallel to CD and this angle is 40 degree, this angle is 35 degree. Find the value of x. How can you find the value of x? You have some properties AB parallel to CD and you have learned already AB parallel to CD. If AB parallel to CD, then we will find the value of x. How can you find the value of x? You can draw a line which is parallel to AB or CD. Parallel to AB or CD. We will give the name MN. MN. Don't write please. See here. Don't write. This value is 40 degree and this value also will be 40 degree. Why? Because this is the alternate angle of this. This is the alternate angle of this. So this value also will be 40 degree. And this is the alternate angle of this. If this is 35 degree, it will be 35 degree. It will be 35 degree. So the all angle, I will give a name is O. All angle DOB. Since angle ABO is equal to 40 degree, so angle BON is equal to 40 degree. If ABO, this angle is 40 degree, so we will call BON is also 40 degree. What is the reason? The reason is this is alternate angle. Reason क्या है? Alternate angle. This is the alternate angle. You have already read it. Alternate angles are equal in a parallel line. Okay, alternate angles are equal. This is alternate angle of this, so it is 40 degree, it is 40 degree. It is 40 degree, it is 40 degree. And the alternate angle of CDO, angle CDO is equal to angle DON, angle DON. Why the angle of DON is equal to angle CDO? Because this is also an alternate angle. This is also an alternate angle. So the whole angle BOD. So the angle BOD, the angle BOD is equal to 40 plus 35 is equal to 75. Okay, we know that on a point, if there is a point, how many angles are formed here? You know that on an angle, on a point, 360-degree angle is formed on a point. So if this is a point, the all angles will be 360. All angle will be 360. This is x degree and this is 75 degree. So we can say, x plus 75 is equal to 360. All angle will be around this point on O is equal to 360 degree. So x is equal to 360 minus 75. x is equal to कितना आएगा भाई? देखो 16 में से 7 जाएगा, कितना आएगा यहाँ से? आ जाएगा 5 15 में से 7 जाएगा 8 और ये बचेगा 285 डिग्री 285. द वैल्यू ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू 285. इट विल यही तो मुझे फाइंड आउट करना था. दिस विल बी फाइंड आउट बाय मी, है ना? x इज इक्वल टू 285 डिग्री. एंड आर यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस क्वेश्चंस? now you will see here again. This is AB parallel to CD, you already know, and this angle I will draw a line MN which is parallel to AB, parallel to CD. MN is parallel to AB and also CD. This angle ABO is equal to BON. This angle is equal to this angle, the reason is alternate angle. This angle is equal to this angle, the reason is alternate angle. Okay, so the all angle of BOD is equal to 75 degree. We know that on a point there is 360 degrees formed. 360 degree on the point O, the whole angle will be 360. So we can say x plus 75 is equal to 360. X is equal to 360 minus 75. X is equal to 285. Okay, write it. Two concepts which is very easy. I will tell you. Question number 1. What is the question number 1? Tell me please. The question number 1 is AB parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD. See here please. And this is the value of this is the angle x. We will find the value of x. Don't write please. This angle is equal to 104 and this angle is equal to 116, right? We will find the value of x. I have told you that the long concept which is written in your final exam, I will tell you. I have told you already. So we will tell you about the tricky concept for these questions. That is, if you have this type of questions, what will you do here? You will do here for the value of x. For the value of x. For the value of x. If these type of questions have you will do this. The value of x is equal to 360 minus 104 plus 116. Okay, 360 minus 220, 360 minus 220. If we add these two angles 104 and 116, then it will become 220. Then we subtract 360 minus 220, then it become 140 degree. And you have already find it that is x is equal to 140 degree. This is the tricky concept. Okay, we will solve the next question. This type of next questions you will do it. I will not tell you these questions. Okay, AB parallel to CD. What is the value of x? A B C D. A B C D. What is the value of x? This is the very easy questions. You can solve it. Solve it, please. What is the value of x? Solve it, please. Solve. I will not tell you these questions. You would be solve it. You have very good concepts, so you can solve it properly. Please solve it. Don't see by all. Okay, solve it. This is the very easy questions. You can solve it. You can solve it. देखिए देखिए भाई देखिए, you have already read it that if this type of questions come to you, then what will you do? You will do that the value for the value of x is equal to 360 minus, don't do any other things, you will do this. What you will do? What will you do? X is equal to 360 minus 72 plus 118. Okay, 360 minus, you will add it, and this value 8 to 10, 17189, 190. 360 minus 190 is equal to 170. The value of x is equal to 170 only. Bas. No, you will do any other things. Write it. AB parallel to CD. Question number 2, you have already solved it. You have already solved it. This question was this. So you see here, please. This is the question. This angle is equal to 40 degree. This angle is equal to 35 degree. Find the value of x. This is the value of x. Okay. How can you find the value of x? You have the formula x is equal to 360 minus, add this angle 40 plus 35. Okay, 360 minus 75, it is equal to 285. This is the answer. The concept is that if AB parallel to CD and this value is A and this value is B, this value is x, this value is x, AB parallel to CD, we will find the value of x. X is equal to 360 minus A plus B. You will do this, but no anything you will do. You will do this. This is the formula for the value of x. If there is given AB parallel to CD, AB parallel to CD, and this angle is A, this angle is B. This is the value of x. Find the value of x by the method of the formula x is equal to 360 minus A plus B. You have two formula. This is the very good formula, and this is the tricky based formula. Okay, write it. So we will meet you next time. Okay, shukriya.